With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the top of the atmosphere is about 400 kilovolt with respect to the surface of the earth, corresponding to an electric field that decreases with altitude. Near the surface of the earth, the field is about this, but still don't get an electric shock. As we set out of our house in open, because so you have to find out the reason. So first of all, let's understand how does we get electric shock. It is said that we don't get electric shock. Why? What is the reason? So the reason of electric shock is when we touch any body which is at higher potential. Let's suppose this body, and this is at higher potential, and when the current flow through our body, right, then we get the electric shock. Right. So when we touch any body which is at higher potential and the current flow through our body, we get a electric shock, right? So in the sense is there need to be potential difference, should be there for shock. So a non-zero potential difference is required for shock to happen, right? So if you see here, when we are standing on the ground, in the house or out of the house, right? So we know that our body and the surface of the earth both are conducting, right? So I will say our body and earth surface both are conducting, and both are at same potential. Both are at same potential. So we can conclude they form equipotential surface. Our body and this earth surface form equipotential surface, right? Surface form, because of which there is no potential drop, right? So because of which the change in potential is zero. So if the change in potential is zero, how we can get the electric shock? For the electric shock, there needs to be a non-zero change in potential, right? So it is said, if you see in the question, it is said that the top of the atmosphere is about this much potential, and with respect to the surface of the earth corresponding to the electric field that decreases with altitude, right? So that decreases with altitude, that's okay, but there is not any change in potential if I consider our body and the surface of the earth. Though at the altitude there is some potential, right, but the potential drop across the our surface and our body is zero, so there won't be any electric shock that will be received by the person. So I will write our body and the ground form equipotential surface. So this is the reason for not getting the shock. So B is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.